Hey guys, well we are back in Florida for a few days. You can see behind me out there, actually back there is the ocean. I just realized you could see it behind me. It's very hazy today, it's cold, it's only 50 degrees. Hopefully it'll warm up a little bit this week. We knew the day we got here it was going to be kind of crappy though. So I wore this to travel in. Actually, I was cold, so I should have worn something else. But I knew I wanted to take my jacket, so I just wore it. I have that Island Time tee on. This was actually a bestseller last year. If they bring it back, I'll let you know. I just checked recently though, and I didn't see it again. These pants are new and they are from Target and I'm absolutely loving them. They are a little wrinkled because I've been sitting in the car all day or half a day in them, but I actually think they wore pretty well and they're super comfortable. They stretched out a decent amount, so I like that because I wouldn't say they were snug when I first put them on, but it was one of those I knew I didn't want to go, up. So it's one of those probably if you're in between maybe size down, but other than that I think they're true to size. But they have pockets right here. They do have a tie. They're high-waisted, so like my belly button's kind of like right here. So I don't know if I love the tie, if I'm always going to use it. You can easily just take it out though. It does have belt loops. Because I'm short-waisted, so sometimes high-waisted things like that aren't the best. But I think it looks okay. But anyway, they are super comfortable and soft. They come in a couple other colors, but I really liked this light green color. They're actually, let me see if you can see. There you go. That's more true to color. I'm standing in a hall here, so you can't really see with the shadow. And then I just wore my sandals because I'll probably wear these a lot while we're here. I did bring like long sleeve versions of stuff, so I'm not sure how exciting the outfits are going to be. I did bring like one dress and a jumpsuit, but we're not here too many days and I knew the weather was going to be iffy, but I will share what I can. Just got my highlights done yesterday actually, so if my hair looks extra blonde, that's why. I always like it like right after I do another root touch up because it's super blonde and most of you always say something about it, so I just thought I would mention that is why. And I guess I'll probably see you tonight at dinner if I change. I'm guessing I probably will. Hey guys, this is our second day. It's still cold here, so that's why I have on this sweatshirt. At least it's not raining though, which is awesome. I only brought my jean jacket and this sweatshirt because I always bring a sweatshirt with me when I travel just in case, but I wish I would have brought like, a plain one, like a gray or something. I do have like a sweater I can wear too, like a lighter sweater, but we're heading out today, so hopefully we can go to the pool this afternoon because it's a little chilly still here. And I just threw on a t-shirt under this. This sweatshirt is actually last year from Target. I think I showed it, but they don't have this exact one. But I think I found something similar the other day when looking. So whatever I can find, of course, I'll link it. This is the bag I'm taking. These jeans are from a couple years ago from Abercrombie. I think I saw something similar. And I mean, everybody pretty much has straight leg white crop jeans now anyway. And the sandals, I actually just ordered 4 new pair from Nordstrom the other day because I was kind of going to do a comparison and let you guys know since straight legs are in right now, and I like them too because they're comfortable and they're a little bit more forgiving than a skinny jean. So, and just regular jewelry. These are the sunglasses. So this is today's outfit. And as far as last night for dinner, I did not change. I was going to and thankfully I didn't because they actually had the fireplace on in the lounge, which is where we just went to grab a bite to eat, and it was kind of warm, so I was just fine with that. So hopefully I will see you later in something else. Hey guys, well, we went to lunch and it was nice, sit outside. It's a little over 60 degrees. The wind's a little chilly, but the sun is out, so it makes it a lot nicer. So we're gonna go down and sit by the pool. This cover-ups from Amazon. You guys have probably seen it. I've seen it like all over the internet. I think I tried to get it last year and it was sold out. So I just got it, I don't know, a few weeks ago and they still had it. So I will link it for you below. I have the waist cinched pretty tight. That's what's great is it's totally adjustable. It's opened here. It does have a front slit, but I like it because it's just one of those perfect for a resort that you could wear to lunch. Anything like that you could feel comfortable walking around in because it kind of looks like a dress. I just have a one shoulder Michael Kors suit on. It's white. I listed this as one of the ones from my swimsuit post. I listed it last year too because I actually bought it last year. It's really nice. It has a little bit of ruching right here. It is a one piece, full coverage in the back. I just like it because it's a one shoulder. I don't know, I think those are really flattering. I would have loved to had some little pants to wear with this because I think that's really cool with a one shoulder, because that way you could show off the top. It looks like an open top, and that way you just have the bottoms, but I didn't think to bring any with me. I think I have a pair of black pants, so maybe that's something I'm going to be on the search for, either a white pair or like a printed pair of like just gauzy pants to throw on over a swimsuit. I used to have a couple pair years ago, and then they kind of went out of style and now they're back. But anyway, I don't know if I'll leave this on depending on how chilly it is why I put this on today. So I will see you guys later for dinner. Hi guys, well we are getting ready to head up to the rooftop and then to dinner. We don't know what we're doing for dinner. We're still so full from lunch. We went out to the pool, came back in, took a quick shower. I just threw on these white jeans again because honestly I had no idea what to wear because I don't know what we're doing. And I feel like I know this about myself. I dress for where I'm going or what I'm doing. Like just putting outfits together to put outfits together. It's like I can do that, but like I like to know where I'm going, like an event, a place specifically or something. So this is one of the alternative outfits that I brought, and because we're going up on the rooftop, even though they have heaters, it is a little bit chilly, so I put this sweater on. This, I think I bought it last year. I have shared it before, and I'll try to share something similar if it's not available. But anyway, at least just in the hot pink color. So it's longer in the back. It has a big slit, but I have it like half tucked in. And actually I just changed my shoes because I couldn't decide, so I put on these. I don't know, it's not my favorite outfit to be honest, but I just wanted to be comfortable. And again, since I don't know where we're going, if we end up leaving the resort or going somewhere else, I may come back to change because I have a few different outfits to wear, but this is what I'm wearing right now. Hey guys, well we just got back from the pool. I forgot to show you my swimsuit earlier. Chest is a little red, so the scar kind of sticks out, but this is a new swimsuit. This one was actually listed for my swimsuit recommendations, the blog post. It was on there. It's from Amazon. I absolutely love it. It's so comfortable. It has some ruching here. It's a one piece. It actually has like a cute back, but this is just so comfortable. I don't know. I just really like it. So I just wanted to share that with you. Hey guys, well we are headed out to dinner, and this is actually something I planned on wearing a year ago, but never got to. So this is my favorite white shirt. I have a couple of them. I brought this one because I like the neckline of it. But anyway, this is from Amazon. I absolutely love it. It's a wrap skirt. However, I do have it pinned because it is a true wrap skirt. Just be aware of that. And I have on my favorite wedges. These were really great last year when I found them, and I was so happy to see that they brought them back. They're very comfortable. I like them better than the super popular ones from Nordstrom the last few years. I actually donated that pair because once I got these, that pair never looked the best on me. I like that these are a little more sleek with the band and not so much shoe. So you can see it's perfect with a wedge. I'm 5'5", so this works for me, and I just basically have the shirt tucked under in the back and then tied. So it's still a little chilly this evening. The wind picked up, but it was much nicer today. I'm going to carry my white Gucci bag, just simple jewelry. I know I haven't been talking about that much. These two bracelets are Amazon, the bead bracelet and the link bracelet. This is Kendra Scott, and then of course my David Smallcombe cuffs, and just some simple gold hoops, and this is Stella and Dot necklace, which I highly recommend this one because you can adjust it to make it, you know, more of a choker. It looks great with things layered, and just simple makeup. I think I put on my Tom Ford foundation tonight. I love that. I haven't worn it in a little while and I forgot how much I like it. So with everything, I will put pictures in just to show you two in better lighting than what's right here. Everything will be linked below, and I will see you tomorrow for whatever we get up to. I'll share then. Hey guys, well we are headed out, gonna get gas in the car because we're leaving tomorrow, and get a bite to eat out somewhere. We took a walk on the beach this morning. It's really nice in the sun, but not in the sun. It's a little chilly and a little windy, so it was kind of hard figuring out what to wear. So I have on just a plain white t-shirt under this, and then this sweater. I've had this for years. I actually have two of them. They're from J. Crew. This is their lighter sweater. I also have two of the Teddy sweaters, which are heavier. I'll try to see if they still have this. So that's just what's going on here. And then these shorts, these were a random find a couple of years ago from Kohl's, and I'm telling you, I love them. They're like some of my favorite shorts. I saw recently they have a longer version of these. I hope they bring these back because I'd like another color. But I'll link the longer version, and if they have this exact one, then of course I'll link those too. They're kind of like a steel gray kind of. So anyway, again, just layers, and then just my sandals, and then we'll probably hit up the pool or something later this afternoon. Hey guys, well, it's our last night, and it is chilly tonight. It was nice today, but for some reason the wind picked up and it's cloudy. So I am wearing this, it's kind of like a denim shirt, but it's a lot thinner than that. I have another one that's the J. Crew one, so this one's a little bit lighter. And these pants are, I think they're J. Crew, no, Loft from a couple of years ago. I'll try to find something similar in a printed pant for you, but I love these. Like I said, I know I bought them like 2 years ago, and I've only got to wear them a couple times. I often bring them with me on trips, but I don't always wear them. But you know, I like a funky, loud pant. I'm all about that. So last time I wore it with like a blue, the same color blue cami, and then my jean jacket. So I just have it untucked in the back, like a little front tuck here. Threw on the wedges with it, and I'll probably throw my denim jacket over my shoulders or something. That's what I like about pants like this. You can kind of dress it down a little bit with just like a white tee and a denim jacket, and then you can wear them for anything. But like I said, you guys know I love these like funky pants, and I'm always looking for an excuse to wear them. And since it was a little cold tonight, I definitely wanted to wear these, because the only ones I brought were my linen pants, and what I brought to go with them is not going to be warm enough. So I guess that's it. I probably won't show you my outfit going home tomorrow. I'll probably just have on joggers and a t-shirt. So I'll end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Everything I talked about will be linked below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.